Magbot Alpha AI robot automation platform combines IoT technology, 3D vision, and AI software technology. Magbot Alpha provides a food and beverage industry service robot automation platform based on the Magbot automatic tool changer. Magbot can automate the entire process from the cooking preparation stage to the final cooking, as the robot can replace various cooking tools on its own. Building a Lego-style robot modular platform that maximizes space utilization and efficiency by assembling and combining removable modules or units for each product and process. Robots can work 24 hours a day, changing tools themselves with the Magbot automatic tool changer. The Service Robot Demonstration and Training Center in UND Daegu Headquarter Robot Alpha City operates an exhibition hall of various robots. The Service Robot Education Center on the 3rd floor provides continuous maintenance support for robot automation platform stores. The UND headquarters on the 5th floor provides Magbot development, design, marketing, and customer support. On the 6th floor is the Magbot Alpha Service Robot Demonstration Center. Here, you can experience barbecue, fried food, noodles, and coffee cooking robot platforms. Magbot Alpha AI Robot Automation Platform. We provide a robot innovation technology platform that makes human life convenient and happy. Accelerating the future of robotics for humans. UND.